The Veeranarayana temple is located in Belawadi, a village in the Chikmagaluru, Karnataka. The temple was built during the rule of the Hoysala Empire. Known to legend as Ekachakra Nagara, Belawadi is said to be the place mentioned in Mahabharata where Pandava, Prince Bhima killed the demon Bakasura and protected the village and its people. It is a short distance from the famous temple towns of Belur and Halebeedu. This ornate Trikuta, three-shrine temple was built in 1200 CE by Hoysala Empire King Veeraballala. The material used is soapstone. Each of the three shrines has a complete superstructure and is one of the largest temples built by the Hoysala kings. While the famous temples at Belur and Halebeedu are known for their intricate sculptures, this temple is known for its architecture. The plan of the temple is unique in that two of the shrines face each other and are located on either side of a wide and spacious open mandapa containing 37 bays. The temple complex has two closed mandapas, one with 13 bays and another with 9 bays, at the end of which is a central shrine. This third shrine is an older construction and exhibits a standard architectural idiom containing all the basic elements of a Hoysala temple. The inner walls of the older shrine are plain, but its roof is well decorated. In all, the temple complex has 59 bays, most of which are lathe-turned and bell-shaped, while a few have decorative carvings on them. According to Foikama, the outer wall of the temple is of the old style, with one eaves running around the temple where the superstructure meets the wall of the shrine. Below this are miniature decorative towers on pilasters. This is followed by a second eaves. A panel of Hindu deities and their attendants are below these eaves, followed by a set of 5 moldings that form the base of the wall. The two newer shrines have different plans. One shrine is square in shape while the other is star-shaped. The tower of the shrine has an apex called the Kalasha, decorative water pot like structure below, which are 3 tiles of decorated miniature roofs. The superstructure over each of 3 shrines is connected to a low protrusion tower called Sukhanasi Tower over the vestibule called nose of the main tower. The Sukhanasi consists of 2 tiles of decorated miniature roofs. In all other aspects, the 2 shrines are identical. All shrines have sculptured decoration on the towers, and the sculptures on the walls are bold and are visible from a distance. However, they are not sharp and impressive from close quarters, unlike in other Hoysala temples. The important sculptures with fine finish are that of the god Krishna dancing on the head of Kaliya, the serpent, and the Garuda. This is a Vaishnava temple and all 3 shrines have images of the god Vishnu, though in different forms. The central shrine has an 8 feet tall image of Narayana with 4 hands and is considered one of the best examples of Hoysala art. It is well elaborated with ornamentation and stands on a Padmasana lotus seat. The southern shrine has an 8 feet tall image of Venugopala, the god Krishna, playing a flute including a Garuda pedestal, and the northern shrine has a 7 feet tall image of Yoga Narasimha sitting in a yoga posture. Decorative sculptures such as Kirti Mukhas are used to make the shrine towers ornate. Om Namo Narayanaya.